In this video, I'll be sharing with you how I make thousands of naira in graphics designing with just my phone. Hey guys, it's Oluwadamilola here. I want to welcome you to another episode of Tooth Info on Spur Africa YouTube channel. I hope you have been good. So right before we move on, I want you to make sure you give this video a like and make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are new and turn on the notification button so that you will get notified when I drop new videos. Let's get right to it. In my last video, I listed 10 high income skills you can learn as a student, and graphic designing was part of those skills I listed. And I remember telling you about how you can start graphic designing, how much you are likely to make in graphic designing, and what do graphic designers do exactly. Yeah, so I started my graphic designing journey back then in 2020 when I first got my first PC. So after I got my first laptop, I was actually thinking of what skill to learn to use the laptop for. Then I was introduced to graphics designing. Back then I was using software like Photoshop, CorelDRAW and the likes to make graphics designs. Not until I was introduced to making graphic designs with just my phone. When I first heard that, I was like, my phone? Designs? I was so surprised. But I tried it out and I discovered that it was really amazing. And I started using my phone for most of the designs I do and everything. And I was making money. Money, thousands of naira with just my phone. So let me quickly take you through how I make designs with my smartphone. How I make thousands of naira with just my smartphone. Yeah, so don't forget to click on the like button if you are watching this video right now, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, and turn on the notification button so that you get notified when I drop new videos. Okay guys, let me quickly take you through Canva. That's the application I use. We have other different applications that you can download and use for your graphic design, but I personally use Canva. So these are the Canva home looks like. These are the already made templates that you just edit to get your graphics design. Yeah, this is photo collage, Facebook posts, posters, flyers, phone wallpapers, Facebook covers. Look at the flyers, look at the phone wallpapers. Amazing designs that you just need to edit them and let it suit your own concept and idea. Already made templates. Look at the invitation cards. You can still make invitation cards. Look at the invitation. Look at the business card, the certificate. The certificate is there too. Everything you need is there. So I'll just take you through one design. If you are someone that needs a resume, you can actually design your own resume by yourself. I'll take you through one design now. Just edit one design for you to see how it goes, how it works and everything. So these are the posters. These are your stories. If you are someone that usually on Instagram, look at the Instagram post and everything, up to mobile videos. Yes, mobile videos is there too. So let me quickly take you through one Instagram post. Let me edit it so that you would see how it works. So this is it. This is a template now. And what I'm going to do is to edit this template. Firstly, let me change this picture to my own picture. Look at the icons you will use to edit, from delete to replay. So I'll press replay now. I'll press replay and I'll choose my picture. Can you see? Now it's my picture there now. Can you see? Now I'll change the name to my name. You just need to click on the template. Click on whatever you want to change. Now I'm changing to Damilola. That's my name. Can you see how swift and easy it is? Now it is changed. Now I want to change this font. Look, yeah, this is how you change font. If you don't like the exact font the template is giving you, you can actually change it here. Let me just look for a better font to change it to. No, I don't like this one. It's too big, kind of. I want it. Oh yeah, this one is good. This one is good. Apart from changing fonts, you can still change your text your text size. I think this diameter is too big, so I want to change my text size. Now we now reduce the text size. Can you see? Yeah, I'll now use this button to place my name at the middle, because alignment is very important when you are doing graphic design. Everything has to be aligned. Can you see? Let's say it's my birthday now and I want to actually post this thing, or let's say I'm designing a birthday post for someone. This is the best thing to actually do here. See, you may need to change the caption here. You may leave it like that. You may have other thing you want to write here. You may leave it like that. You can edit it. I mean, you can edit everything on this flyer, everything. I want to take the flower. Let me say I want to change the position of this flower. Let me say I'm putting it at the top here. Let me rotate it to, yeah, exactly. Or let me say I don't like it there. Let me put it beside my picture. Yeah, I'm the birthday boy. Yeah, that's how it works. So that's how it works. If you want to change all these designs, all these brown and all these, I mean everything, you can actually change everything on it, everything on the template. So now let's say I'm done with this design now. Let's say this design is done. This design is done. Let's save it. It's preparing your design, and after then you get saved to your gallery without no watermark, without anything. Like there is no watermark. Just deliver it to your client if you are making it for anybody and everything. So the design is ready now. Let's go back to the home. Yeah, look at the templates, the different templates you can use. I mean, you can do mobile videos for your business. Maybe you are running a brand and you want to do a quick short video for yourself. Look at it here. Mobile videos, you can edit them to your own concept, your own idea and everything. Look at the Instagram posts. Look at the logos. You can do logo for yourself. You can do logo for your clients. Yeah, look at the logos. Now, the thing about Canva is it has a premium plan and a normal plan. Now, this thing you are saying paid, you can't use them unless you pay for the premium plan on Canva. So if you want to use if you want to use every template on Canva, you have to pay for the premium plan. Yes. But now you can actually see free templates you can use. There are free templates you can use if you think you don't want to pay for premium plan. If you want to search for anything you feel like you want to do, maybe you want to do another thing that is not video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And that's the basics of Canva. Like you have other applications you can use to make your designs. But the one I use and the one I think I can recommend to you, which is the amazing one so far to me, is Canva. Yeah, so you can actually start a journey in making designs with your phone, using the ready-made templates, editing them, and in a way that it will suit your own concept and your own idea and everything. Yeah, so I hope you got something. Yeah, so don't forget to click on the like button if you've not done so, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and put on your notification button so that you'll be the first person to get notified when I drop new videos. Yeah, thank you very much once again. See you next time in my next video. Bye.